is your First Alert 5 weather with Alan Rose.
And Andy, that's one of the great initiatives we're running here at News 5. But something else we're watching is Mother Nature opening up the skies. Had a few viewers write into our Facebook page. Thunderstorms taking their time to develop. I think we're going to see the peak in activity between 5 and 9 p.m. Finally seeing some thunderstorms developing here just west of Monument, Palmer Lake out towards Glen Eagle. So if you live in northern El Paso County, you might be hearing some thunder this afternoon. Might be seeing some of that lightning in the distance. And most of the storms here are moving off to the east-southeast at a pretty good clip. I was to give you a broader vantage point, a lot of action here across the Wyoming-Colorado border and out west towards Grand Junction. Anything north of I-70 has been getting rocked most of the day as storms are coming out of Utah and moving east into Colorado. So let's time out this evening for you. I think the model doesn't initialize that well. I want to point that out. 5 o'clock model data not really showing much of anything out towards Monument. So I think this model will take it for face value, meaning I think we're going to see more activity this far south than what the model is showing. So keep that in mind. The model really favoring areas up along maybe the Front Range out east into the adjacent plains out towards Lyman. And I think most of this activity will fall across the area through probably about midnight tonight. So as we zoom on into the severe weather threats locally, again, Pikes Peak region, especially northern parts of the Pikes Peak region and out east into the adjacent plains. If you are under one of these thunderstorms that develop, wind is going to be one of the higher threats here. Could see gusts to 60, hail possibly in some of these thunderstorms up to 1 inch in diameter, frequent lightning and the potential for some heavy rain or heavy downpours. Now on the opposite end of the spectrum, still seeing westerly winds, record-breaking heat, dry, windy and warm conditions out across the San Luis Valley and the adjacent mountains there. Red flag warnings in effect till 8 o'clock tonight. Back here in the Springs, been pretty windy today. The southerly winds have been ramping up through the afternoon hours. 65 degrees outside, 75 in Pueblo. Nowhere near the heat that we saw yesterday. In fact, we've shaved off more than 20 degrees to those temperatures at this 4 o'clock hour around Woodland Park in the Springs compared to yesterday. And it's about 15 to 20 degrees colder right now for Monument and Pueblo. You can see the wind coming out of the east across the eastern slopes and the plains. But out here in the San Luis Valley, up in the mountains, wind is coming out of the west. Now tomorrow, just a slight chance of showers and storms. The dry air tries to move back in from the four corners. It's going to stay generally dry across most of the area. But I think in the Springs, it's going to be about a 20% chance of an afternoon to evening shower. And we can see that on the model here, the Futurecast, seeing mostly cloudy skies early, then some breaks in the clouds for the afternoon. That allowed us temperatures to get warmer than today, and then just a few spotty to isolated showers heading into the afternoon and evening. I think most of that is going to be across northern parts of the state. Monday, also looking at a slight chance of some scattered showers as well. So overnight, to know, fairly mild. We'll drop down to the 40s and 50s in most areas. Highs tomorrow, a little warmer than today. 70s and 80s around the Springs and Pueblo. 83 around Walsenburg, 84 Trinidad. And over the next 7 days in the Springs, also a little bit windy heading into Monday. Afternoon showers also possible Tuesday. So we're watching basically a series of disturbances that keep in some afternoon shower activity. Better chances for it heading into next week. Pueblo, isolated showers on Sunday and Monday. Maybe a better chance with more moisture to work with on Tuesday. Canyon City will see highs in the 80s with some isolated showers Sunday. A little cooler Monday into Tuesday before warming back up. And for Woodland Park, some showers and storms tonight and again tomorrow. Monday, maybe an isolated shower, better chances on Tuesday. Andy.
Alan, thanks.